There are two different types of people, those who have experienced data loss and those who will experience data loss. And that loss can come from various different reasons. It could be user error, the user deleted something they shouldn't have, a virus, malware, ransomware, equipment failure, hardware failure, or we could be talking a natural disaster, flood, tornado, fire. So many different ways you can lose your data. We here at Ford Business Machines use the 3-2-1 method of data backup, which is a good method to limit your chances of data loss. The 3 and 3-2-1 are 3 copies of your data. One of those copies would include your production copy, so that's your working copy that you utilize every day, such as that spreadsheet that you're updating and changing on a minute-by-minute, hour-by-hour basis, that Word document that you just created today. That would be one of the 3 copies. 2 are 2 different media types, so one of those 3 copies, there should be 2 different media types used, such as a hard drive, external drive, USB drive, floppy disk, CD, tape, the cloud. Any one of those 2 will suffice. So 3 again are 3 copies, including your working copy, 2 different media types, and of those 3, at least one of those copies need to be located offsite. So it could be, for example, Ford Business Machines has a data center here at our location that we could back that up to. Even saving it to a tape or an external hard drive and removing that from your location, but again, it physically has to be located outside of your location where your other 2 backups are. So recent memory here, we had a potential customer, we're not a customer at the time, that we were trying to sell our backup disaster recovery service to, and he was reluctant, been in business for a long time, never any issues, wasn't sure what value a backup would bring to him. So we offered Ford Business Machines 30-day free trial on our backup disaster recovery service, and he said, sure, what's the harm in a free trial? So he signed on, we got him set up, again using the 3-2-1 method of backup, and 2 days later he calls into our help desk saying, please tell me you have my data. And so probing, asking some questions here and there, find out that some of the heavy storms that went through the area recently, his office experienced a flood that they and himself had never seen, and his server along with his local backup were under 6 feet of water and completely destroyed. Thankfully, not thankfully, but we did capture all his data. We had it stored safely here in our data center here at our headquarters at Ford Business Machines, and we were able to restore onto a new piece of hardware for him, and he was back up and operating within hours.